So this is our Goldie. Today we are going to apply Spot On. Show the Spot On. Where is it?
Spot On.
So he's a good boy. He's turned 1 year now. So this is a Spot On. VI 540 contains fipronil and S-methoprene Spot On. So we are going to apply. He is around 35 kg and it is for 20 to 40 kg. It's a golden retriever. It prevents fleas, ticks and lice. So let's demonstrate how to apply it. So it comes like this in a bottle like thing, and I think it is around 3 or 5 ml, 2.68 ml. So we have to empty it on on his body. So we are cutting it open. It's so easy to cut. Comes like a small bottle, squeezy bottle. So you can even lock it. So he's taking his treat. We have to divert him with the treats. So I think we have to put it on 2 spots, right?
3.
We have to put it on 3 spots. I think in this line, so that it covers the entire area. I think it penetrates the skin, but it's very difficult. You have to divert him with the treat so that he cooperates well during the application. See, I take a treat and divert him with the treat. You have to divert him with the treat. So this is how we should apply. We should just apply it on the skin. Should just remove the hair, part the hair, apply the drops. You have to keep him diverted. Apply the drops like this. I think 1 ml in a drop between the shoulder plates. Between the shoulder plates. Just take the hairs apart and make sure you are applying it on the skin. This is how you need to apply. Squeeze it on the skin so that it absorbs well. See, he's being diverted with the treat by Sia. So this is the 3rd point where we are applying, near the tail joint. Yeah. I think it takes around 10 minutes to be absorbed. Make sure that it dries well so that the dog doesn't lick on the medicine. So the entire bottle should be emptied on one go. You cannot store it. It's very difficult to divert a golden retriever. Should have a good amount of treats to keep him diverted. We don't have any bad smell arising from this ointment. As of now, we don't know later. So we emptied the entire content. You can see that we have emptied the entire content. Okay. So the entire content is empty. You have to just discard it. Yeah. He's fine. He's fine, comfortable. We have to just rub it a little so that it dries. He's fine and comfortable. No awful smell. No smell at all. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye, Goldie. So it takes around 10 minutes for the medicine to start its action. Till then he should not lick. So for that we are taking him upstairs on rooftop for a game with some treats like this. Say bye, Goldie. You're going for a game, right? Say bye.
Happy birthday.
Bye. Bye-bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.